How to buy the property in Dubai as a foreigner? Well, I'm going to break down the entire process step by step, so you will have a clear roadmap if you are considering investing in Dubai real estate market. So without further delay, let's get started. Step 1. Eligibility. So the first thing you need to know is about the property eligibility. As a foreigner, you have the opportunity to buy the property in certain areas known as freehold areas. These areas are specifically designated for foreign ownership. But keep in mind that in some areas, you might only be able to acquire leasehold rights for a period usually 99 years. Step 2. Choose the right property. Now that you know where you can buy, it is the time to decide the right property for you. You have got two options: off-plan properties, which are still under the construction, or the ready properties. When making your decision, think about these factors like location, proximity to amenities, future development plans in the area, and the potential rental yields. Step 3. Hire a real estate agent. Moving on to the step 3, it is a good idea to hire a registered real estate agent to guide you through the entire process. This can be incredibly helpful in navigating the ins and outs of buying the property in foreign countries. Step 4. Property inspection. Now it's time to get up close and personal with the property. If you are considering any off-plan property, make sure to visit the developer's show home or take a look at their previous projects. It is always a good idea to say things in person before making any big decisions. Step 5. Reservation deposit. If you have found a property that feels right for you, it is the time to secure it. Typically, this involves paying a reservation deposit, usually around 5 to 10% of the property's value. Alongside this, you will also need to sign a MOU with the seller, which outlines all the terms and conditions of the sale. Step 6. Securing financing. Now, if you are not buying the property outright, you will need to secure a mortgage. Foreigners can obtain the mortgage from the banks in Dubai, but keep in mind that the loan to the value ratio might be a bit different for the non-resident. So make sure you have all the documents in order, including proof of income, bank statements, and the identification. Step 7. Property valuation. When you are getting a mortgage, bank will usually require a property valuation to determine its current value. This is a standard procedure to ensure that everything is into the order. Step 8. Sales agreement. Once all the terms are squared away, a sales agreement will be drafted. This documents lay out all the property's price, payment plan, and other conditions that need to be met. Step 9. No objection certificate, that is NOC. Before moving forward, the seller needs to obtain a no objection certificate, NOC, from the developer. This certificate confirms that there are no outstanding dues on the property. Step 10. Land department. Now we are getting close to finish the line. Final sale takes place at the Dubai Land Department. Both the parties need to be present. Buyers pay the remaining balance and the property is officially transferred into the buyer's name. This is when a title deed is issued and officially making you the proud owner. Step 11. Registration fee. Remember, there are few costs involved beyond the property price. Buyers typically need to pay a 4% registration fee to the DLD based on the property value. And don't forget, there might be some additional admin fee as well. Step 12. Connect utility. Once you are officially owner, it is the time to get the things up. That means connecting utilities like water, electricity, and the internet. You will need to go through the Dubai Electricity and Water Authority that we call DEWA to get everything sorted. Step 13. Property management. If you are buying the property for rental purpose or investment purpose, it is just smart move to think about the property management or real estate agent. You might want to consider hiring a property management company or an agent to handle the tenant-related matters and keep things running smoothly. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide how to buy the property in Dubai as a foreigner. Remember, property laws and the regulation can change. So it is always a good idea to consult with a local real estate expert or legal advisor before making any big decision. I hope this video was helpful for you. So don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, query, you can put it down in the comment section. This is Anshuman, your property consultant, signing off. Bye-bye.